Let's do some indefinite integrals with substitution, this time involving trigonometric functions. So for our first one, we have pi times sine of pi x dx. Okay, well, directly, we could kind of directly if we really knew what we were doing, but let's not directly integrate. Let's choose something. So let's choose the argument. A lot of times for trigonometric functions, just choosing the argument is the right call. So we're going to say that u is pi times x. That gives us du equals pi times, well, that's 1, so pi dx. So we can rewrite that as dx equals du over pi. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to bring down everything. We're going to say, all right, that's pi, that's sine of u, and then that's du over pi. Well, luckily, our pi's are going to cancel, so we're going to get sine of u du, which the antiderivative for sine is negative cosine. So negative cosine of u plus c, which is negative cosine of pi x plus c. Simple enough. The next problem we have sine of x over cosine cubed x. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this slightly. This that's what that notation just means. It means cosine of x to the third power. And sometimes it's easier to envision it that way because now we have something inside of parentheses. So we could say, okay. That means u is cosine of x. We'll pick that. So what if I do du? Du then is negative sine of x dx. Or I can rewrite that as dx equals du negative sine of x. So I have a sine of x over u cubed times, that's du over negative sine of x, which is negative du u cubed, which is negative u to the negative 3 du. Okay, so then we can use the power rule here. We can say negative u, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, plus c. So that makes our negatives cancel. That's super convenient. So I have 1/2 u to the negative 2 plus c. But I don't really like that, so I'm going to say 1 over 2u squared plus c. So that gives me 1 over 2 cosine squared of x plus c. But 1 over cosine is secant, so I could say that's 2 secant squared x plus c. So that would be the way to do it. Let me check. Make sure I didn't say anything wrong, because, oh, sorry, not 2. I knew that something was off. 1/2 secant squared x plus c. Okay, so that's the idea. Once you do that, it all falls out.